How to fix Nintendo Switch Joy-Con stick drift. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Joy-Con drift is a problem where a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller acts as though something is moving the control stick even when nothing is. This can mean the camera, cursor or characters on your Switch keep moving even when you're not touching the controller. This problem is widespread. It also tends to get worse over time, possibly as a result of wear and tear or dust building up inside the controller. If you are experiencing this issue, in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is check if your controllers are connected correctly. To do this, go to the home screen and select Controllers menu. Make sure that your Joy-Con is registering properly. You can go to change grip/order and press the minus or plus button, then follow the on-screen instructions to repair your Joy-Con again. Next thing you can do is check the tilt control settings and game software updates. If your Joy-Con always drift when you are playing the same few games, there might be a problem with those particular titles. Highlight the relevant games on your Nintendo Switch home screen, then press the plus button and select software update via the internet to check for updates. Next thing you want to do is reset any button mapping. Button remapping on your Switch allows you to change the functions of the various buttons to make the controller more accessible. You can also use button mapping to change your control stick orientation, meaning that remapping can cause drift-like symptoms. To check if the button mapping is active on your Switch, return to home screen and look in the bottom left corner for a Switch or Joy-Con icon with a wrench on it. If you see it, go to System Settings, Controller and Sensors, change button mapping and hit reset for each of your Joy-Con controllers to return them to the default button mapping. Next, you want to update your Switch system. You will need to make sure that your Switch is connected to Wi-Fi first. Then all you have to do is go to home screen, select System Settings, System and then choose System Update. Your Switch will check for new updates, downloading and installing that are available. And lastly, you want to update your Joy-Con firmware. After updating your Switch system, go to Home, System Settings, Controllers and Sensors and then hit Update Controllers. Your Switch will update each controller one at a time. Wait for all the updates to complete before testing your Joy-Con again. And these are some things you can do to fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.